garage door lock. What happened after Shark Tank $275,000 deal? Shark Tank on ABC Garage Door Lock is a lock designed specifically for a garage door, the biggest door in one's house, and the one usually left unlocked. The garage door lock, which works with pre-installed door openers, that bolts a garage door every time it closes, and you don't need a service person to come to your house, you can install it yourself. The entrepreneur behind Garage Door Lock, Brian White, pitched the product on Shark Tank in March 2014. Daymond John offered $275,000 for 35% equity, contingent on the company getting a licensing deal. Chamberlain makes a smart garage door lock system. After Shark Tank, Garage Door Lock teamed up with California lock manufacturer Guardian. Guardian reported that it redesigned the electronics, resource components, and simplified the assembly of the garage door lock. A 60% cost reduction was realized, according to Guardian. However, according to all Shark Tank products, the company behind Garage Door Lock, Eloxis, based in Phoenix, Arizona, went out of business. The website is no longer live. 2 paragraphs found Eloxis garage lock doors listed for sale on Security Snobs for $500. 2 remotes are included. New episodes of Shark Tank, Season 9, air Sundays at 9 on ABC.